on the bus go round.
Great choice. Practice. Carrot, carrot, time to eat your carrot. Yes, 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 I want to eat the carrot. Good, the carrots are good for you. Yay! Corn grows on stalks. Let's keep playing. Corn should be knee-high by summer. Let's learn our colors. Corn is yellow. So let's practice counting. There are 2 yellow ears of corn. 1. Yummy. 7. There are 7 red raspberries. Let's learn our colors. Raspberries are red. Yummy. Let's learn fun facts about our fruits. Carrot, carrot. Let's learn 2. Let's blueberries. Blueberries are blue. Let's 8 blueberries. Let's count. Let's learn blueberries give you a strong brain. 3. That looks yummy. Carrots grow in the ground. Let's learn our colors. Orange carrots. Carrots are orange. Let's practice counting. There are 4 carrots. Let's 4. There are 6 green peas. Let's learn our colors. Green peas. Let's learn fun facts about our peas. Help you stay 5. Apples can be red, green, broccoli, bean, carrot, bean, broccoli. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Let's learn our color. This apple is red. Yummy. That looks yummy. Green broccoli. Green broccoli. Yummy. 7. Bananas are yellow. I love bananas. Let's learn fun facts of bananas grow on trees. 8.